Hey guys, I just wanted to make a quick video on the polarity of these relays. Just because I think we'll be using them for our final prototype. These are actually pretty good. I bought 3 of them. Right now I have one connected to, my breadboard. I was testing the polarity, and now I want to make this video so you guys understand how it works, for future reference. And let me first explain. How any relay works. I know many of you might know how a relay works, but I just want to, everyone, so that everyone's on the same page. So how a relay works is we have a coil and we have a switch, right? Just imagine a coil and a switch, and depending on the polarity of the current that flows through the coil, is either going to close the switch, attract the switch and close it, or it's either gonna repel the switch and opening it, right? So that's how any relay works. So for this specific relay, the way it's gonna work is we have, if it focuses, okay, we have these 2 pins are connected to an internal switch, and there is another set of pins here. So we have 2 coils in parallel here. We have one coil across the first 2 pins and another coil across the second set of pins, right? So the way the polarity works, I found out by testing, is that when current flows from the side with most pins, only for, let's say, we're only gonna talk about the first 2 pins, right? So for that coil that's on the first 2 pins, when current flows from the side that has the most pins to the side that has the least pins, that's gonna make the switch close, right? So if current flows the other way around, it's going to open the switch. But if we have current flowing from that side with most pins on the second coil to the other side, then we're going to make the switch, we're going to open the switch, right? So if current flows the other way for the second coil, it's going to close it. Basically, these two are the opposite, right? When one of them closes it, if we connect the same, the same setup, the same polarity, on the second coil, it's going to open it. So let me show you really quick how it works here. And we're actually going to be able to hear the switch closing it. So right now I have them connected to, I think I have it connected to the second coil. So right now here we have here we have the switch that's connected to a loop that has a battery, and it has a an LED light. So right now, obviously the switch is open. That's why the LED is off. We want to turn it on. So since it's on the second coil, when current flows this way, it opens it. But when current flows the other way, it's going to turn it on. That's what we want. So we want the positive on this side and negative on this side. So we want to connect the positive here, and the negative we can literally just touch the resistor, and it's going to, it's going to click, or it's going to make a clicking noise, and it's going to turn on the LED light, just like that, right? So if we were to reverse the polarity of this, you might guess that it's going to turn it off, and that's basically what it's going to do, right? It's going to make the clicking noise that's turning off the switch, and it's going to turn it off. There you go. So that's pretty much what I wanted to explain. Thank you guys for watching this short video. I mean, it's pretty basic, but at the same time it's very important for us to understand how the polarity on the relay works. And now we will have it documented on video, and I've been working on the document on Word. All right, thanks guys.